Hi there, welcome to the Digital Jayasty Show. I'm so happy you're here. This podcast is all about digital marketing, how it works, and how people around the world are using it. I'll be chatting with marketing experts to learn about things like content marketing, SEO, social media, email marketing, and more. I am Jayasty Anandan, your host, and this podcast is brought to you by Digital Jayasty. That's my digital marketing consultancy helping businesses all over the world. You can check it out at digitaljayasty.com. Since this is a brand new podcast, I would love to hear what you think. Got ideas, suggestions, or topics you would like me to talk about? Just send me an email at podcast@digitaljst.com. And if you are enjoying the show, it would mean a lot if you leave a rating or review on your podcast app. All right, now let's jump right into our today's episode. Today, I want to kick things off by building a solid foundation for everyone, understanding digital marketing and why it's so crucial in today's world. But first, let me tell you a little about myself. I have been in the marketing industry for over a decade, with the last 4 years focused entirely on digital marketing. In that time, I had the privilege of working with clients in 8 different countries, spanning more than 15 industries. Very exciting, right? My specialization is mainly with B2B clients, helping businesses connect, communicate, and convert online effectively. If you're curious about my background, do check out my website, digitaljst.com and jst.com. Oh, and if you are someone exploring freelancing opportunities, especially as a woman working from home, you might find my book, Digital Freelancing for Women at Home, super useful. This book is available on Amazon, Gumroad, and my website, jst.com. Digital marketing. What is it really? You have probably heard this term thrown around a lot on social media, in job ads, or even casual conversation. At its core, digital marketing is all about using online platforms and tools to promote products, services, ideas, or even personal brands. Think of it as traditional marketing evolving to meet people where they spend most of their time, which is online. Whether it's browsing social media, searching Google, or even reading emails, digital marketing helps businesses connect with their audiences in meaningful ways and often in real time. The key verticals of digital marketing. Now, digital marketing isn't just one thing. It's an umbrella term that covers several verticals. Let's break down some of the big ones. The first one I'll go with is search engine optimization, which is usually called as SEO, the magic of showing up on Google. SEO is all about improving a website's visibility on search engines. When you search for something like best marketing tools, the website that pop up on the first page didn't get there by accident. SEO involves keyword research, optimizing content, and making sure your website meets certain technical requirements so it ranks higher organically on search engines. Next one is content marketing. You have probably heard that content is king, and it really is. Content marketing focuses on creating valuable, engaging, and informative content to attract and retain an audience. This could be anything from blog posts, white papers, and infographics to videos and podcasts like this one. Next, I'll go with social media marketing. This is one of the most visible sides of digital marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter have become powerful spaces for brands to build relationships with their audience. Whether it's running campaigns, hosting live streams, or simply engaging in comments, social media humanizes businesses. Next one is very important, which is email marketing. Believe it or not, email still reigns as one of the most effective digital marketing channels. Sending tailored messages, nurturing leads, and providing value to your subscribers drive incredible results for businesses even today. Next is pay per click advertising, which is in short called as PPC. Ever noticed those ads at the top of your Google search results? Yep, that's PPC. Advertisers bid for specific keywords and pay a fee every time someone clicks on their ad. It's like buying visibility, but the trick is to make sure that visibility translates into value, whether it's clicks, leads, or sales. Finally, the influencer and affiliate marketing. These involve working with individuals who can influence your target market. Influencer marketing focuses on leveraging those with significant followings on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or LinkedIn. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, is performance based. Think of it as paying partners commissions for driving traffic or sales through their referral. Now, there's so much more to each of these verticals, but I hope this quick sneak peek gives you an idea of just how broad and exciting digital marketing really is. Understanding these pillars is the first step to leveraging them effectively. By now, you might be wondering, why should you listen to me? Well, aside from my 10 years of marketing experience, I have spent the last 4 years diving deep into digital marketing, working hands on with amazing clients from diverse industries, 15 plus of them. My focus on the B2B space has really honed my skills in helping businesses succeed in often competitive environments. Plus, I am here to break down complicated topics into bite sized, actionable insights that you can use whether you are an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or someone just curious about digital marketing. Before we wrap this up, I want to leave you with this. Digital marketing is not just a skill, it's an opportunity to grow, connect, and make an impact. Whether you are running your own business or helping someone else grow, there's a strong digital marketing foundation will open doors you didn't think possible. I truly hope today's episode gave you some clarity and a solid starting point for understanding digital marketing. If you have any questions, thoughts, or even feedback about this episode, feel free to drop me an email at podcast@digitaljayst.com. I would absolutely love to hear from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the Digital JST Show to stay tuned for more tips and insights. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, stay curious, stay digital, and take action. This podcast is brought to you by Digital JST. If you want more tips, strategies, and interviews with top marketing experts from around the world, make sure to subscribe to the Digital JST Show. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.